But some days ago, ICE Network released a new update, which somehow has caused a little bit of, let's say, chaos in the space because people are now wondering: is my ICE network still safe on my exchange? Is it safe on my MetaMask wallet? Is it safe in my OKX exchange? Is it safe in my, OKX Web3 wallet and the likes? So in this video, we're going to be covering that, whether it is safe or not. And for those of you that might probably want to migrate your ICE network, because ICE is going to be migrating to the ION blockchain. So if you have your ICE network in BNB and you want to migrate it to ION, in this video, I'm going to show you what you need to do, and you get all the details that you're going to need in order to stay safe. So if you go to their X account here, this is the details here. Let's view this. But before that, let me go to my home page. As you can see, this is Tonio's Tech currently on X, and we're currently at about 1.5k followers. I do drop most updates here even before I make videos on them. So if you're not subscribed to, if you're not following me here on X, make sure to go and follow me here. Now let's go back to this ICE network page. This is the account, and you can see important notice: action required. This was posted 1 day ago. And what they said is, in 3 days' time, all exchanges will stop trading ICE. Yes, that is to say, all exchanges will delist ICE network. ICE network was listed on, I think, BitGet exchange, was listed on OKX Web3 wallet. Sorry, it was listed on OKX exchange. It was also listed on KuCoin. It was listed on a lot of exchanges. So what this information is basically saying is that they will be delisting ICE network from all of these exchanges. So any ICE network that is left on exchanges risks becoming inaccessible or wordless. So to stay safe, move your eyes to Online Plus immediately. And they put the link to Online Plus here, which you can see on my screen. So what this information basically means is that when ICE network was listed, ICE network was listed as a token. That is why it was listed on BNB blockchain. Any cryptocurrency that does not has its own blockchain and is listed on another blockchain is a token. That is why Bitcoin is a coin. Ethereum is a coin because Ethereum is listed on Ethereum blockchain, Ether. Bitcoin is also a coin because it's listed on its own blockchain. But coins like USDT are tokens because USDT does not have its own native blockchain. It's listed on either BNB, it is listed on Tether. That is why when you want to send, you send on network on TRC20. But that is basically, by the way, those ones are some crypto 101s that you should know. If you want to learn, of course, my DM is open. You can send me a message and then we'll put you through on some Web3 terminologies and the likes. But that is basically that. So ICE Network is now switching from a token. They are now switching to becoming a blockchain. And the blockchain name is ION. They created this blockchain not today. It has been around for quite a while now, but they've not been able to fully integrate all their tokens to it. That is why you remember, for those of you that were participating in Seal Sand airdrop, the Seal Sand update, you realize that for you to activate your Seal Sand wallet, then you have to bridge your eyes from BNB to ION. And after that, they ended the updates. They have not heard anything from them up till now. So currently, this is what you need to do. You need to go and download Online Plus. Look at Online Plus on my screen here. If you have ICE network on an exchange like MetaMask, or you have it on OKX Web3 wallet, or you have it on your BitGet wallet, your BitGet exchange, what you need to know is that if you leave your ICE network there, you are going to lose access to it. Your ICE network is going to be worthless because on these exchanges, they are not going to bridge it automatically or migrate it automatically for you. So you need to move your ICE network from any of those exchanges to Online Plus. Online Plus is now the official social media application, just like TikTok, Facebook, and the likes. It is a social media application on the Web3 space. But this time around, it is now integrated with a Web3 wallet specifically to support ION blockchain. So as you can see, this is Online Plus here. I have an account here. For me to access this, I need to turn on my 2FA, which I'm going to do. If you want to sign up on this Online Plus, you can check the description of this video. Check the description, yes. The link is going to be there, so you can pick it up and sign up. You are going to be using my referral link, or you can use any other link you want to use. That is, by the way. Now, for me to set this up, I can either use this backup, the first option. I can use email, or I could decide to use an authenticator. I am going to use authenticator for this. Okay, it says authenticator is not available, so I'll go back again. Maybe I should try email. All right, email is available. I'm going to go ahead and put in my email right now and try it, and then I'll show you what you need to do. After putting in my email successfully, they have sent my verification code to my email, which I am going to go ahead and put in right now. So after putting in the code, you can see the email address has successfully been verified and added for 2FA. So that is basically that about that. I'm going to head back to security right now and I can now exit this page. I think this should show now. Let me exit and open my online plus once again and see if I will be able to bypass that page and then show you what you need to do. And just in case, I already even dropped an update on this on my Telegram channel. If you're on my Telegram channel, you would have seen when I made a post on this. So this is my channel here. If you scroll down, you can see I already dropped the steps. So that is to tell you that if you're not on my Telegram channel, do well to go and join my Telegram channel. I do drop a lot of updates here. Updates that I might not even have the time to make videos on. So you can see these are the steps. I dropped the details here. These are the details, and then these are the steps. Access your online plus, blah blah blah, and the likes. But then this is the video version. So let's head over to the video. It is still telling me to secure my account. I don't know why. Let's go ahead and see what is going on. Okay, maybe I still have to do the normal backup again. Let's try this one. So I'm going to be backing up with my iCloud. All right, so I've successfully done these two verification method, and okay, they now allow me to do my authenticator now. So for this, I'm going to be using Google Authentication. I already have Google Authentication installed on my other phone. That is what I'm going to be using. So I will not be needing to install it here again. You can use any authenticator of your choice, but personally, I do prefer Google Authentication. So I'm going to click on next right now. And okay, this is the code I need to copy and put in my Google Authenticator. All right, I have successfully set this up on my other phone. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in the code from the authenticator and see if it goes. So you can see I have successfully added this. I'm going to go back to security and you see the three of them has been completed successfully. So I can now exit from this page, and this is how my online plus looks like. So once you're done with all of those verification and the likes, the next thing you want to do is to click on this wallet section, this one below your screen here. Once you click on it, you will now want to send all of the ICE from your exchange or your wallet into this online plus. So once you're on this page, tap on this receive button here. Once you're on this page, select on ICE Open Network. Yes, ICE Open Network. Make sure you're using the second one. You can see they put old. Don't use this ICE Open Network that shows ION. The reason is because the ICE that you're sending from your exchange is not currently on ION. It's currently on BNB. So when you pick this old is going to be on BNB. So you can see, look at the logo. This first one here, you can see the logo. This is small BNB logo here, and they put it BSC. So tap on it, create your wallet address. Let me authenticate this again with my Face ID. Once your wallet address is created, you pick it up. For the sake of the length of this video, I will not be able to show you fully, but from here, you should be able to get it. Now, once you copy this your wallet address, you go to your exchange. Let's say you have your ICE network inside your Bitget exchange, or you have it on your OKS exchange, or even have it in your MetaMask Web3 wallet. Go into it, send it, and to be on the safer side, make sure to test a little amount. You can just send a little amount and see if it reflects. If it reflects, then you can now go ahead to send all of the other tokens into this place. Once you're done, you don't have to take any other step again. If ICE network now migrates the token to ION, your ICE network on BSC blockchain will now be automatically migrated into ION blockchain, and all ICE network tokens will be on ION. But if you leave it on your exchanges, you risk losing it. Another method you can use is to go to the official bridge page. There's a bridge page that you can do. Remember during the time when we were asked to send ICE on ION blockchain to assistant wallets, they released the website where you can do the bridging and the likes, and basically that about that. But I think this is the safest method, and this is what I currently recommend. If you still have any issues or any uncertainties or any unclarities, you can drop them in the comment section of this video. I'm going to respond to you, and if it requires voice note, I'm still going to make voice notes to address your own issue. And if you watch this video and you feel you still need any other tutorials as regarding to this or any other tutorial in the crypto space at all, you can suggest them in the comment section of this video. I'm going to be there to listen to you, and then I'm going to pick and see what we can make videos on. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. I'm currently on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, X, Telegram. I'm even on WhatsApp. So that is basically that. And just in case I don't converse on Telegram, you can only message me officially on WhatsApp. Yes, in case you want to complete your Sidra Chain KYC, because currently I'm having people to do their KYC online without visiting a physical center. If you want to get your KYC completed, you can send me a DM. Check the description box of this video. You get my contact there. You can get my contact in my Telegram channel also. I pinned it there. Pick my contact, message me, get your KYC completed within 15 minutes, and you're done. So that is basically that about that. And I'm going to see you in another video.